Namaste and welcome friends to Creative Crochet Folks India. This is Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Creative Crochet Folks India. In this video, I'm going to show a simple granny square worked in the round. I'm not going to show the reversible version. I'm going to show the normal version. So you can either start with chaining 6, slip stitching and joining to make a circle, or make a magic ring. Cross it, secure it, holding this in this manner. Having secured it, you may either chain 3 as the first double or pull up the loop to the height of a double crochet, twist, pick up the yarn, pull through the loop and behind the twisted loop, and then pull through 2. This is your first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochets. Chain 3 double crochets. Chain 3, three double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets, now you have the option of either chaining 3 and joining it to the very first DC, or chain 1 and place a double crochet on the very first DC here, so that you bring the working yarn to the center of the corner. Yeah. So we have 4 sets of 3 DCs and 4 corners. This is a basic for our granny square, the first round. Now we start by making 1 double crochet, either chain 3 or a standing twisted double, as I always do. 2 more. Before going over to the next corner, chain 1. Again, in the corner, we are going to place 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Three doubles, chain 3, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, the next corner. Again, in this corner, we are going to place 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. Chain 1, go to the next corner. Chain 3, 3 doubles, chain 1. We had begin with incomplete corner, so we're going to complete that corner by placing 3 double crochets. Now it's time to make the next corner space with 3 chains. Instead, chain 1, place 1 double crochet on the very first double of this round, so that we bring the working yarn to the center of the corner. Again, begin with 3 double crochets, that is chain 3 and 2 double, or 3 double, 1 standing twisted double and 2 double crochets. This is the incomplete corner of the third round. Now we'll be working on the sides. So before going to the side, chain 1, place 3 double crochets here. I'm showing you the simple granny squares. You have a lot of options here by placing different types of stitches both in the corner as well as the sides. Chain 1, the next corner, 3 double, chain 3, 3 double crochets. One, 2 and 3. So again we need to work the side here. Before working here, we place chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, corner. Again chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, corner. Chain 1, 3 double crochets, chain 1, complete the corner. I shall also complete up to this and get back to you. Come to the end of the round. This is 1, 2 and the third round. Again chain 1, make a double crochet on top of the very first double, or the third chain of chain 3 if you have worked chain 3 as your first double. So we need to continue in this manner to the required size of the granny square. So round after round, 3 DC sets on the sides will increase. Now at the end of third round, or in third round, we are having one set of 3 DC in the side here, if we do not count the corner DCs. If we count them, it will be 1, 2 and 3. The next we'll have 2 more here. Let's work that. This yarn we have brought to the center of the corner. Place a standing twisted double, 2 more doubles, chain 1, in fourth round we'll have 4 sets on every side. That is if we count the corner set 2. Okay, let's see. This is one way of ensuring that we are in the right track or we are working correctly. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, this side we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. Corner spaces we always work 3 double crochets, chain 3, 3 double crochets. That is going to give you a beautiful granny square and without curling up and all that. For this sample, I have worked with my hobby store DK special yarn and 4.5 mm hook. So try out with solid colors, with multiple colors, so on and so. You can change colors round after round too. There is no end for your creativity. I shall finish the square to the required size and get back to you. I have completed 6 rounds. On every side, I'll be having 6 sets of 3 DCs. That is half corner on either side. We have 2 corners here. So half of this and half of this will be counted in this side. When you turn your work, this half and this half will be counted here. Counting them, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the 6th round. This is one way of ensuring that we are on the right track when you're working with the granny square. First round, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 on each side, 1 set. Second round, 2 sets. Third round, 3 sets. Fourth round, 4 sets. Fifth round, 5 sets. Sixth round, 6 sets. Seventh round, 7 sets, so on and so forth. You can make the granny square to the desired size. Now I required 6-inch granny square for the project, which I am going to take up in the next video, and I have stopped with 6 rounds. This is exactly 6 inches in size. Okay, now we are not going to stop here. We need to give a finishing touch to the granny square pieces. For that, we are going to work a single crochet round as the last round for this particular granny square. Chain 1. This is not counted as any stitch. Place 1 single crochet, then 2 more. This is again incomplete corner. You're going to work 5 single crochets in every corner. There are different methods. People work 2 single crochets, chain 1, 2 single crochets, but I wanted it to be a solid one, and hence I'm working 5 single crochets in the corner. Then 1 single crochet each on each of the double crochets. And into the chain space, we have made 1 chain space and hence 1 single crochet. Continue. 1 single crochet each on each of the double crochets. 1 single crochet in chain 1 space. At the end, in the corner, we make 5 single crochets. Let me come to the corner and get back to you. We began with half corner. I've come to the next corner here. Place 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The middle one is the cornermost point. Again 1 single crochet each on each of the doubles. Continue in this manner. Complete the round and get back. I shall also complete and get back to you. It's going to give you a beautiful finish. We started with half corner and we made 3 single crochets. Now I need to complete this corner with 2 single crochets. And now let us make the invisible join. This is one way. You can secure it and fasten off. Here we go. Successfully made 1 piece for the project. So the project is a surprise. So when I take up the video for the project, I shall tell you how many such pieces you require for that. So with the single crochets as the border, it gives a very good finish. This can be done for any sample projects or sample squares, rectangles, whatever you make. Circular projects. So everything, if we end up with a single crochet border, further a slip stitch border, it's going to enhance your work. Thank you, friends, for viewing the small effort of mine. Hope you liked it, and if you really liked it, do click on the like button, share our videos, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again. Have a great day. I shall be back with a project with granny squares.